5 best essential oils for hair growth. Essential oils are aromatic concentrated extracts from a plant. Their aroma carries a resemblance to the plant they are extracted from. They can also be used to boost your hair growth and provide with visible results. 1. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is known to increase the blood circulation in your head and promote hair growth. It also has a cooling effect when massaged thoroughly. 2. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oil, which is related to hair growth. Lavender oil is known to accelerate hair growth and stimulating your hair follicles and giving them a chance to grow. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a refreshing camphoraceous odor. If your hair is flaky, then this essential oil will work wonders for your hair. This is also known to treat dermatitis and is a great solution for the treatment of dandruff and promotes hair growth. 4. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are important for healthy hair growth. They also nourish your hair follicles, cuticles and overall hair. 5. Rosemary oil. Rosemary is a small herb with fragrant leaves and flowers which are of various colors. Rosemary oil helps to promote hair growth and treat problems such as hair loss and thinness of hair. So these are the 5 best essential oils for hair growth. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.